Hello everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So if there is any kind of invalid IP problem on your machine, on your PC or laptop, then you have to follow the simple steps. Number one, what you have to do, you need to click on the search box, type here troubleshoot. From the suggestion, you have to click on troubleshoot settings. Now here you have to look for an additional troubleshooter, double click on it. And then you have to look for the network adapter. Once you get it, you have to click on it and then click run the troubleshooter. Now this will start detecting the problem and then it will ask you that with what type of connection you have the problem with. So you have to choose the Wi-Fi connection over here, then click on next. Then it will look for the problem and even it will try to resolve the problem from your PC or laptop. Alright, so just run this troubleshooter, see that what suggestion or what recommendation you get from here. Probably this can also fix the problem. If this method doesn't work for you, next what you can do, you have to click on the search box again, type CMD, right click on the command prompt and choose run as administrator. Then click on yes, the black window will be coming up. Now here you have to run few commands that you will also find in the description. So just you can copy one by one and paste here. So the first one will be netsh space winsock space reset. Once done, next you have to type netsh space winsock space reset space catalog. Hit enter again. Then you have to type netsh space int space ip space reset log.txt. And the final command will be ipconfig space /flush DNS. Alright, once these commands are completed, you have to restart the computer and check back if the problem has been fixed. And if not, then next what you can do, you have to check your WLAN configuration services that is properly running or not. So click on the search box, type services. From the suggestion, click on services app. Now here you have to look for WLAN auto config. So you can come down to the W section and look for WLAN auto config. Just double click on it. And make sure the startup type has been set to automatic and the service status is running. Now in case if it's already running, then you have to click on stop and then click on start again and then click on OK. Now you can close it. Next, you have to click on the search box again, type here ncpa.cpl. Hit enter. Here you will see all kind of network connection. You have to look for the Wi-Fi, right click on it, choose properties. Now here look for internet protocol version 4, double click on it. And here make sure this first option has been set to obtain an IP address automatically. Alright. And the next one, if it's already set to obtain DNS address automatically, then you have to choose the second option. And in the preferred DNS, we will be using either Google or Cloudflare DNS address. So in the preferred, I will be using Cloudflare. So it will be 1.1.1 and .1. And in the alternate, it will be 1.0.0 and 1. Then click on OK and then click OK again. Now after this, I would also recommend that you can try resetting your network. So click on the search box, type here network reset. You will be getting network reset option. Click on reset now and again on yes. And after this, what will happen then next time when you will try to connect to your Wi-Fi, it will ask you the password. So just make sure that you remember the password of your Wi-Fi name or SSID name. After that, I'm pretty sure that after applying all these solutions, your problem will be surely fixed. In case if this also doesn't work, again make a restart and check back that if the problem has been fixed or not. That's all guys. Hopefully this will work for you. And if yes, do not forget to like and subscribe. Or any question, let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.